How to get random wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. Tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then, tap on Photo Shuffle at the top. Here, tap on Select Photos manually below to choose your own images. Browse your library and tap on each photo you want to include, then tap on the tick icon to continue. On the Shuffle screen, tap on the three dots as shown. From here, you can select the shuffle frequency. For example, daily. Review the preview of your lock screen and confirm the photos are arranged the way you like. Then, tap on Add to save the lock screen. If prompted, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it and finish. Your lock screen now cycles through the selected photos at the frequency you chose. Following these steps, you can easily get random wallpaper on iPhone.